Hey beautiful souls, welcome back to our channel. Today we're embarking on a journey to achieve that coveted Korean glass skin look. Get ready to transform your skincare game as we break down each step of this transformative routine. We begin with the cornerstone of any Korean skincare routine, double cleansing. First, we use an oil-based cleanser, gently massaging it onto dry skin to dissolve makeup, sebum, and pollution. This step is crucial, as oil attracts oil, effectively lifting away impurities without stripping the skin's natural oils. Now, it's time to cleanse with a water-based cleanser. This second cleanse removes any remaining residue and preps the skin for the next steps in our routine. Exfoliation is our secret weapon to unveil the natural radiance beneath. Opt for a gentle exfoliating product, preferably one with natural enzymes or acids. These ingredients work wonders in breaking down the bonds holding those dead skin cells together, revealing a fresh, revitalized complexion without causing irritation. Remember, be gentle with your skin. In the realm of Korean skincare, toning is all about restoring balance and hydration. Think of your toner as a tall drink of water for your skin after cleansing. Look for toners enriched with hydrating ingredients like hyaluronic acid or soothing botanical extracts. Gently pat it onto your skin and allow it to absorb fully before moving on to the next step. Now, for the heart of any Korean skincare routine, the essence. This lightweight, watery formula is a game changer when it comes to achieving that dewy, plumped-up look. Essences are packed with concentrated doses of active ingredients that penetrate deeply into the skin, delivering intense hydration and promoting cell turnover. Gently pat the essence onto your skin and allow it to absorb before moving on. Here's where we get personal serums and ampoules. These potent potions are designed to target specific skin concerns, whether it's hyperpigmentation, fine lines, or acne scars. Choose serums and ampoules based on your skin's unique needs. For instance, if you're battling dark spots, a vitamin C serum is your best friend. If fine lines are a concern, opt for a retinol-based serum. Apply a few drops to your skin and gently massage them in. No Korean skincare routine is complete without the indulgence of sheet masks. These luxurious masks are like mini facials at home, delivering an intense surge of hydration and nourishment. Choose a sheet mask that addresses your specific concerns. Apply the mask to your face and relax for 15 to 20 minutes while it works its magic. Afterward, remove the mask and gently pat the remaining essence into your skin. The skin around our eyes is delicate and prone to fine lines, so it deserves extra TLC. Gently tap a small amount of eye cream around the orbital bone using your ring finger. Avoid pulling or tugging on the delicate skin. This will help to keep the area hydrated, reduce the appearance of fine lines, and keep your eyes looking bright and youthful. Now that we've layered our skin with a symphony of nourishing ingredients, it's time to seal in all that goodness with a moisturizer. Choose a moisturizer that suits your skin type. If you have oily skin, a lightweight gel-based moisturizer will do the trick. For drier skin, opt for a richer, creamier formula. Last but certainly not least, sunscreen. Apply a generous amount of sunscreen as the final step in your morning routine. Look for a broad-spectrum sunscreen with an SPF of 30 or higher to shield your skin from harmful UVA and UVB rays. Remember, consistent sunscreen use is the key to preventing premature aging and maintaining that youthful glow. And there you have it, the step-by-step guide to achieving that coveted Korean glass skin. Make this routine a part of your daily ritual, and you'll start to see a transformation in your skin. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on any future beauty adventures. Until next time, stay beautiful, stay radiant, and keep shining your light.